Alright, this is my second video on the diesel motorcycle. Last one was kind of a quick walk around on the build. This one I'm going to actually do a quick test drive on it. But as you can see, I made a couple of changes since the last video. I've got a Sportster tank instead of the factory Suzuki tank because it was all rusty and nasty on the inside to the point where it would barely allow enough flow to the motor to even get the engine to turn over. But yeah, apart from that, it's mostly all the same. I added the headlight, the brake lines, got throttle cable now, and should be able to fire right up and we'll go take her for a spin. So, here you go. I'm going to hand the phone on over to Madeline.
Why can I touch it?
There you go.
Can you touch it?
It's hot right now.
I want to pick it.
He's going around the cul-de-sac. He should be back in a couple seconds. Here he comes.